Alright, so this mirror is a little cloudy. I tried cleaning it up, trying to restore it, but couldn't get it to come out good enough. So I'm just going to replace it for $16 as of the time of this video. You can get new ones of these off of Amazon, links in the description for the driver's side and passenger side. But that's all it is, and you can see how these things come off. This one has the defrost on it like this one does, but you can see where it latches in and it goes in at the bottom. So all you need to do to remove one of these is definitely be careful. You know, you are removing something with glass on it, and there's one. There you have it. So we go ahead and pull these off. Alright, and then two slots down here. Just kind of gotta pop these back in. That's it. Pretty easy fix. Stay tuned for more videos.